California Road Signs Quiz. What does this sign mean? A. Stop and wait for traffic to clear before proceeding. B. Slow down and be prepared to yield to oncoming traffic. C. Proceed with caution and be aware of pedestrians. D. Have the right of way and can proceed without stopping. Answer. B. Slow down and be prepared to yield to oncoming traffic. What is the speed limit in this school zone? A. 30 miles. B. 40 miles. C. 25 miles. D. 35 miles. Answer. C. 25 miles. What does this sign mean? A. The road is divided into 2 or more lanes of traffic going in the same direction. B. The road is divided into 2 or more lanes of traffic going in opposite directions. C. The road is about to narrow. D. The road is about to merge with another road. Answer. A. The road is divided into 2 or more lanes of traffic going in the same direction. What does this sign mean? A. Slow down and be prepared to stop. B. Come to a complete stop and yield to cross traffic. C. Proceed with caution and be aware of pedestrians. D. You have the right of way and can proceed without stopping. Answer. B. Come to a complete stop and yield to cross traffic. What does this sign mean? A. Yield to pedestrians who are crossing the street. B. Stop and wait for pedestrians to cross the street before proceeding. C. Pedestrians have the right of way in this area. D. Be courteous of pedestrians who may be crossing the street. Answer. C. Pedestrians have the right of way in this area. What is the meaning of this sign? A. The road ahead curves to the left. B. The road ahead curves to the right. C. The road ahead is winding. D. The road ahead is narrow. Answer. A. The road ahead curves to the left. What does this sign mean? A. Passing is permitted on both sides of the line. B. Passing is permitted only for specific vehicles such as motorcycles. C. Passing is not permitted in either direction. D. Passing is permitted only on the left side of the line. Answer. C. Passing is not permitted in either direction. What does this sign mean? A. Left turns are permitted only with a yield sign. B. Left turns are permitted only with a stop sign. C. Left turns are not permitted. D. Left turns are permitted only for specific vehicles such as buses. Answer. C. Left turns are not permitted. What does this sign mean? A. The road ahead may be slippery when wet. B. Use caution when driving on wet roads. C. Reduce speed when driving on wet roads. D. Chain up your tires when driving on wet roads. Answer. A. The road ahead may be slippery when wet. What does this sign mean? A. Be aware of deer in the area. B. Reduce speed and be prepared to stop for deer. C. Turn on your headlights at night. D. Honk your horn to scare away deer. Answer. B. Reduce speed and be prepared to stop for deer.